random item off Thingiverse. A little bit late this, it's January the 9th today. Could have done with this for Christmas, obviously. But I missed it. Spotted it on Pinterest today, so I thought I'd print it off anyway. Then I'll know where it is if I want to print it next Christmas. We'll put it together in a minute. Hi guys, another random item off Thingiverse. Again, another one I spotted first on Pinterest and followed the link. I did try and do quite a few Christmas related prints before Christmas, but I didn't see this one then. So this is a bit late. Monday the 9th of January. But we'll see if we can put it together. Designed by tone001, and it's Thing, or Thingiverse, number 1945168. There'll be a link in the video description anyway. Let's see if we can put it together. Well, that's nice when they come apart just by bending them. Some of them need to be cut, some of the ones I've been working on. I had a go at designing one of my own, one of these in the sprue, in the frame. I made these little, whatever you want to call these bits, I made them a bit too thin and they were actually falling apart, so I was trying to lift it off the bed. Still, that was my first attempt, so I think I'm allowed to learn. This is a bit complicated. That's clearly the two sides, if I don't drop them on the floor. This is the nose, I think, or no. I suppose beard, you could almost say. Oh, somebody got a noisy vehicle right there. If that bit comes off or not, we'll find out in a minute. Right, this is the front of the head. Right, so clearly those go on there, but you probably got to put this on first. It's going to go in there. It's got to bend round there, and go in there, and that one's got to bend right over and go in there. Bent it too much and it broke off, or was it supposed to go like that? Well, it might have been intended actually. A separate piece. So where does that bit goes down? Yeah, that's what I was saying about beard or chest or whatever. Looks like that middle bit comes off. Yep. I'm not sure whether I was supposed to knock those two bits off or not. I think probably should have done. Yeah. Okay, they've gone home nicely. And then the antlers that I just dropped on the floor, found them. And antlers are going to go in there and lock it all together. Well, they should, if we can get them in the right place. Yeah. Yes, that's nicely locked together. And then this bit has got a screw hole in it. How would you actually get to that screw hole? With a certain amount of trouble, I would think. But other than that, that's all gone together very nicely. So, there we are. A reindeer. I say with a screw hole there, but I don't honestly think you can get a screw through to it, or a screwdriver through to it easily. Or maybe just about. Yeah, take that back. It's going to be at a bit of an angle, but crosshead screwdriver would probably do the job. Or you could pull that out, get his nose out the way, and then do it. Then pop it back in. Yeah, nice one. What was it? Tone001. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.